guys, welcome back to my channel. So this hair is from a company called Nadula hair. I have 3 bundles of 24-inch and also a 20-inch frontal. This is their Brazilian body wave hair, and it feels so good. Like, oh my gosh, it's super soft, and I love the shine of it and the bounce. Y'all see that? It's gorgeous. So right here, I want to show you guys how I put my stocking cap on, and y'all, this method is bomb. When I say I always had a problem with the stocking cap method because it always lifted where my ears are, and I hated it. I could not get it to stay down for nothing in the world. So right here, I am just taking my Ghost Bond glue. Yes, my Ghost Bond glue. This is the first time I'm using this, y'all. I was so scared. And I am just putting that all around my hairline, not on my hair, but around it. And I'm going to let that dry and get clear before I pull my stocking cap over that. Once I do that, I'm just going to press the stocking cap into the glue. And y'all, it's going to stick. It's not going to move anywhere. And after that, I did let this dry for probably about 15 minutes, and after that, y'all, it was a wrap. When I say it did not move, my stocking cap did not lift or anything like that. I feel like this is so good. This method is absolutely has to be the best. Oh my gosh. So right here, I am just cutting off the excess lace. And the only thing I feel like I messed up on was how far I took the lace, the stocking cap down. I feel like I should have put the glue a little bit more further up than lower. And I shouldn't have taken it so far down on my sideburns. But, you know, we're still learning. But as far as laying the stocking cap and it not moving and it not lifting where your ears are, y'all, this is probably the best bet, okay? And this is super easy to take off. The only thing that I used was the 91% alcohol and also some baby oil. And you want to let that baby oil soak into the stocking cap, and also get a cotton ball or something like that and press that alcohol into that stocking cap where you put that glue, and let it sit for a little while and just start rubbing it off, and y'all, it's just gonna lift. So it's super easy. So don't be afraid. I was scared too, but don't worry, okay? So right here, I just have my Ruby Kisses. I believe this is foundation or concealer. I'm not sure. But I'm just going to add this to the, I want to say lace so bad, but this is a stocking cap. I'm just going to add that just so I can blend it in more with my skin. And after that, I'm just going to pop on this wig that I made. I made this wig with my hot glue gun. Like always, I'm always using my hot glue gun, but I did sew down the frontal. And for the rest of the hair, I used a hot glue gun. And y'all, this is my first time making a wig with a frontal. I'm always using closures. Did I say that right? I'm always using closures when I make my wigs. But this time I used a frontal. So yes, it was different. But, you know, we get better with time. I think it came out okay. I'm going to keep on practicing and, you know, keep on doing it. But, y'all, it was a struggle at first, child. It was a struggle. But we got through it, and I feel like it turned out so good. Y'all, this hair is bomb. So make sure you guys go check out Nadula hair. All of that information will be in my description box below. So yes, go check them out. And this hair was very affordable also. So yes, and their shipping was super fast. Yeah, I hate slow shipping. So with fast shipping, it's just like I can deal with you. So their shipping was super fast. So right here, I am just laying down my frontal. I am going in sections and I'm letting that dry first. I'm letting that glue dry first and get all the way clear before I lay it down. And I'm only putting one layer. I know most people do 2 or 3, but I'm only doing 1 because I am taking this wig off really soon, because I am putting out another video for you guys, so stay tuned for that. So yes, I'm only doing 1 layer of this glue, and y'all, this glue really had this wig on my head. Do you hear me? This glue is strong, so be careful not to put this glue on your hair, because you do not want to rip off your edges. Okay, so be careful with that and know how to take it off. Like I stated before, the same way that you take off the stocking cap is going to be the same way you take off the glue from the lace wig also. So yes, so yeah, so right now I am just cutting that lace off, and then I'm going to cut a few baby hairs into this wig, and that's going to be it. I'm going to do a few crinkles into this wig because I want to give it that wave pattern back. You know, I washed the frontal, so I had to put a few waves back into that. But you guys are going to see that in just a moment, so keep on watching, okay? This is a little trick that I learned from Erica J. I am just doing my baby hairs. I am using the Nairobi foaming lotion, so make sure you guys go get some of that because it's bomb.com, okay? And it's not going to lift up your lace when you apply it. So after I let my baby hairs dry, I'm going to comb them out because we want the baby hairs to look soft and natural. And y'all, this is like the best trick ever, and it works so good because your edges doesn't look crispy and stiff. They just look natural. So yes, give that a try because it looks so gorgeous. You know, here we are. My makeup is did. I'm looking good. I'm feeling myself. And yeah, this is how the hair is looking. Look at that lace, y'all. It is melted. Okay, so yes, this is how the hair looks. I hope you guys like it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.